Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Megha kayak fest arhaja arpusan kabala penong ha Umtham kala Khring yaki ruit Kinglieng na Kylleng saudong ka Pyrthei ban shimenta hagan ka fest. Ka Megha kayak fest arhaja arpusan kala ne shita yo kan thi bat ha sngikot jongka lawan ban sakhilang da ummentri katna yelekai ka jila uba wailan miki shila. Kani ka Jingïakop Kinglieng kala Khring yaki ruit sports na Kylleng saudong kari ban wan sakhi bat omtang kata ki Paidbah na Kylleng ka jilaru ki lawan ban sakhi banwan jengok ka ya ka kuat ka suba bat ka may mariang ka ba itanat. Habakran ha kanisngi uba walat ulaong, bakalong ka jing sengo sarong ya ka jela Meghalaya namar bakalong ka way ka jela ha ka ri India, kabala ban penut shibun nak benta kijing don kam ni kijing tei ha kaliang ka sports. Nangta ka de ka jela ka babun tam ki badang samla ki badan hapot lai pusan senam karta. Nangta ulaong bakasor ka jela ka don ni ki skim nak benta ki samla sengkam, kabalatip kum ka prime Meghalaya, nang taka donru yake Hello Meghalaya, the Chief Minister Meghalaya Grassroots Music Program, ka Meghalaya Outstanding Sports Person Policy, hak baki samla na kajala ki bayo takma habaki letshabar kinyo eka kam sorkar. Kumta ulong baka day na kinikidaw baka jala Meghalaya ka sya ajiet ban penyat yaka National Games ka banlong hausnam arjar arpuhnyo. Ulakin tu yaki samla ki basmat ban lekai haki sports bakin treshitom ban yo yaka jingjok.
Sophia first ring, Hima second ring, Pranjala, Khring Kabani,
Kylleng Rally Natasha Khan,
Kylleng is at the roll, Paul at the roll, now it's very close,
Malay Prakash Rana,
this is the big one. This is where it will count. Get ready. Green on 7. Oh, we have someone upside down. Okay, rescue. We can swim up. Rescue. Next one. Oh. Oh, no. Yes, thank you. Oh, we have 2 swimmers. One more swimmer.
and another.
We have 3 swimmers. We have 3 in the water. There's 3 in the water. Second place, second position. Come on.
Priyanka Mamsid, Balai.
Come on, Lizzie.
Rescue.
We have a swimmer in the hole there. Rescue, one paddle is coming down. Rescue.
Lupaikay lahapon na kalir.
No, they missed out. Regina is taking the outside line. Come on, let's go, let's hear it. Go, Meghalaya.
Benjamin Magbalay.
Including.
Bukay, Abuan Labin, and Wasaw.
Come on, Indra.
He is really enthusiastic to see our young sports person should excel. And we do realize that in order to excel, we need to have better infrastructure and better training. And in the last 7 years, if you see in the past the kind of investment the Meghalaya government has put on, and you are very happy to know that in the whole country, Meghalaya is the state which spend highest on sport infrastructure and training of the athlete in the budget provision. So I think by this you have seen the kind of concern we have for our young population, because Meghalaya is a very young state. 65% of the population in Meghalaya is below the age of 35 years of age. So that's why we are pushing sports, and not only sports. If you see the kind of assistance schemes which we have right now, for our young entrepreneur, we have Prime Meghalaya. For our YouTubers, content creators, we have Hello Meghalaya to support them financially. For music lover, musician, we have Chief Minister Meghalaya Grassroots Program, where we support them to play in the restaurant, in the major junction in our states, to support them. We have for our sports club, we have Yes Meghalaya, for them to organize sports tournament, awareness program, training program, and there are a lot more of schemes, because we are really concerned for our youth. And we do understand, in order to encourage our young athletes and players, peddlers, we need to have something to have that sense of security to pursue sports. No doubt in the past we have a sports quota of 2% out of the total recruitment, where the players, athletes have to fight among themselves in order to get recruited in the government job. But just recently the cabinet has passed the Meghalaya Outstanding Sports Person Policy, where whoever from Meghalaya will represent in the national level, Asian Games, Olympics, if they win medals, they don't need to compete for recruitment for that 2%. Directly they will be given government job if you bring medals. So I think it is worth taking a risk. So that's why I urge our young peddlers today, work hard. And as you know, because of these efforts, Meghalaya has been given the opportunity to host the national game on 2027. And I'm so happy that to announce also that Umtham is one of the locations, especially to host the kayak here for the national game. So this is sports. I think nobody have thought that they will come here. Even myself also, I never thought that I'll be coming here. But sports brought us here all together. So I think by organizing this festival, it really has helped the local villagers in terms of employment, in terms of livelihood, and so many other things. So I urge the Langwa Chnom, man mo ban ya cooperate lang, naman mo di bawan na ba, mismo minay man welcoming, kaya bat na next camp pa nakayang jongki, but naitanat na ituloy you are as a headman, you are leading from the front. Ialam na kamat na ituloy yung ashnong ko hakajo ko po about yang sinuhay. I don't have much to say, but once again, I congratulate the organizer and I wish this event a successful one. With this few words, Khong Lei Shibon, Metela, and Jai Hind.